Now, before I go any further, let me set the record straight. I love Vegas.
Content and technology.
HD was an overnight success. It was. It only took 7 years. We forget that. We forget how many years it took in high definition to get that fuse to light. And when that fuse lit, boy, that bomb went off really fast. And it was people like ESPN and others who created that fuse to be lit. It's hard to predict how long it will take. I think that there's going to be obviously broadcast right away in 3D high definition, which we're going to have to deal with and help people like Mr. Garvin and others, realize the ability to do 3D in their trucks and to do those special events. It's going to take time. We have to see how it develops. But we've got to remember that we're at the stage early in high definition when there's no standards, there's no practical ways of working, there's technology gaps, there's a lot of things that we have to solve over the coming years. So I think 3D is going to show up this year. It already is. We're already seeing events happening. How fast it will evolve, I think that's something that we're going to learn about over the next 1 to 2 years. But as manufacturers, we have to continue to put the R&D into developing new practical ways to do 3D. But this is different than HD. Don't forget that. The HD was driven for a lot of reasons. 3D is going to be really driven from consumer electronics manufacturers and from the demand of consumers. There's going to be different variables for this than there was high definition.
Well, the only thing obviously is it takes 2 of everything. Obviously, it's 2 channels and 2 cameras. Does it take 2 switchers? Oh, it doesn't take 2 switchers. I'm sorry. In switchers, it's 0.
Channel flex is a charge block.
It is? Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry. But it's not just 3D, it's for the channel flex option.
Yeah, so no additional cost on the switcher. There is a light PC and the encoder and then the server, but small.
It's very, very small.
I remember the channel flex option has a lot of utility for other applications. So in a 4-channel server, we can pair up video and key pairs on every channel. So we can feed 4 video key pairs. You can actually do 6 ISO records with 2 playbacks. So a total of 8 channels that are gained together, or 6 channels gained, 2 channels independent, and we can do 3D. So that's not really a 3D specific upgrade, it's a multi-channel improvement called channel flex.
I think where the premium is going to be is not an equipment cost. Well, it is to a degree because, like I said, there's 2 of everything required. And if it's 2D and 3D, then obviously you have some complexity. So I think it's more in what it's going to take from a production capability, both physically in the the infrastructure that has to go inside of the truck and on the field or in a venue, but also, of course, the production crews, et cetera. So that's, I think, where the premium is going to be to get 3D content.